My name is Jorden McMinn. I'm a staff attorney at the Rhode Island Center for Justice, a nonprofit public interest law firm here in Rhode Island. As part of my job, I represent workers in wage and hour disputes with their employers. Primarily, just like to comment that the Fair Labor Standards Act was enacted to protect workers, not small businesses. For the last 30 or 40 or 50 years, we've seen all of these businesses continue to grow and grow and grow while wages remain flat. We heard earlier today that if the $23,000 number from 1975 were adjusted, it would be closer to $50,000 today. That is not a 100% increase from yesterday. That is paying workers a fair wage without returning the work that they've earned over the last 30 or 40 years. Many of my clients work 60, 70, 80 hours a week. And if you look at the increased minimum wages that are happening across the country, these workers are working sub-minimum wage sometimes in a state that has a wage that's above the federal minimum. So again, my clients are working 70, 80 hours a week in the hardest jobs that our community takes for granted, paving our streets, cleaning our yards, and serving in our schools. And these workers are worth more than minimum wage. These workers should not be living on food stamps and living in poverty. It's important that the Department of Labor index the increase, because it's been too long and we can reasonably expect that it'll remain flat if we don't do that now. Again, I'll just close by saying that workers should not be working harder and longer for less money, and that we should be thinking about how they've contributed to our economy and our businesses as we change these rules. Thank you.